baby boy, this automobile checking in. Bye.
Hey, baby boy, where you checking in from making all that noise up here in Coney Island? Hey, baby boy, where you checking in from while you making all that noise up here in Coney Island?
Hey, 711-520. Boy, got your radio door up. 711-520. Boy, baby boy, working his Alabama mobile. Get down.
Alabama mobile's working around Coney Island. Hey, baby boy, that Alabama mobile's working in my Coney Island base station. Be safe, be careful. Have a good Sunday. Hey, baby boy, you're Trinitron9, the man in the deep waters of Coney Island. Said bye, bye, bye. Bye, baby boy. Bye, baby boy. Bye, baby boy. Trinitron9, deep waters of Coney Island. Said bye, bye, bye.
Like old Sam can hear me around that corner, no doubt about that. Baby boy said, time bomb technology. Bye, bye, bye.
All right, well, hey, man, enjoy the technology. Enjoy that technology. Hey, baby boy, I'm just out here testing my water out here. I'm just out here in the middle of these deep waters of Coney Island, the cloudy skies, just testing my water. Take care, baby boy. You're Trinitron9, Coney Island. Bye, bye, bye.
Hey, squeeze and more squeeze and fill it. 520 with the weekend wave. I'm checking the mail. Crazy over here.
I want to know who else can put it in my deep waters of Coney Island. I want to know who else can get wet and break some bread and put it in the deep waters of Coney Island. Hello, radio. Number 9, Coney Island. Checking my water. Number 9, Coney Island. Checking my water.
Can't pull them out, no doubt about that. Hey, squeeze again, my friend. It's the weekend in beautiful Alabama. 520.
520 got a whole lot of mouth, but I don't know what kind of ears he got. 520 got a whole lot of mouth out here in Coney Island, but I ain't sure about his ears right now. Look like his radio's real getting plugged up right now. Good morning on the band. Good morning, Trinitron9, Coney Island. Good morning on the band, Trinitron9, Coney Island. Get down.
520 Alabama said, yeah, you got it right, Squeeze. I did say 151, Squeeze. Hey, Squeeze, happy Memorial Day. You got it right, Squeeze. 151.
Yeah, number 9, Coney Island, trying to get a radio clean up. Trinitron9 out here in the middle of these deep waters of Coney Island. I'm trying to get a radio clean up. Good morning on the band, Trinitron9, Coney Island. Get down.
Trucking, smoking, Alabama,
Let me get out of the middle of these deep waters of Coney Island. Y'all know I don't want to ghost talk. I don't want to cross talk. Let me ease on back and go back to the boardwalk. Trinitron9 and more Trinitron9, the man in the deep waters of Coney Island. Getting down.
Trinitron9, 151 Alabama, Trinitron9, Mr. 151, Memorial Day Way, got down.
Hey, right back, 151. You making a whole lot of noise around Coney Island. I'm waving right back. Hey, 151, keep up the good work, man. You making a whole lot of noise out here in the deep waters of Coney Island. Hey, 151, you're Trinitron9. Said bye, bye, bye.
When you come up in the way you coming up in it right about now, I'm going to talk to my radio super truck. Baby boy, the worldwide time on 3 p.m. I'm back quiet.
Bye, baby boy. Bye, baby boy. Bye, 151. Bye, baby boy. Why, bye, 151. Y'all making a whole lot of noise in the deep waters of Coney Island. Y'all are making a lot of noise out here in Coney Island. Trinitron9 said bye, bye, bye.
Been on my long time friend in that super bad truck, Yakamo, super truck, Yakamo waving.
Who else can put it in my Coney Island water? Trinitron9 still out here checking my conditions. Who else gonna get wet? Who else gonna break bread? Who else can ride the wave back to Coney Island? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Trinitron9, Coney Island. Good now?
No, you talking to me or somebody else? L7.
Hey, baby boy, I still hear you out there. Hey, baby boy, I still hear you out there. I ain't gonna get here too long, man. But I still hear the baby boy out there. It ain't nobody but Trinitron9 sticking and moving in these deep waters of Coney Island. It ain't nobody but Trinitron9 sticking and moving in my deep waters of Coney Island, and I got all the way down.
Hello, Trinitron. Hey, Trinitron, I hear you, man, but it's rough, man. Hey, Trinitron, on Yakamo side, I hear you out there, but it's rough on my cat picking ears, man. They show enough ears. Oh, Trinitron9, Yakamo, Trinitron, Yakamo, goddamn.
Hey, Yakamo, you sounding real good around Coney Island. You said it's rough on your side, but you're making a good trip to Coney Island. Hey, Yakamo, have a real good day around Alabama. I believe you're around Alabama. Hey, Yakamo, have a real good day. Trinitron9, the man in the deep waters of Coney Island, said bye, bye, bye.
I gotta leave him alone. Hey, Oz. He said, I'll leave Trinitron alone, but he ain't no good with no. Oz. Oh, Trinitron, Memorial Day waiting upon you to watch. He want me to leave you be, no doubt about it. Oh, Trinitron, hey, 791. Hey, 791.
And I appreciate it, Yakamo. I appreciate it, Yakamo. Wave a hand the hot sauce for me. Hey, Yakamo, wave a hand the hot sauce for me. Take care, Yakamo. Take care, Yakamo. Y'all making a whole lot of noise around Coney Island. Y'all making a whole lot of noise around Coney Island. Trinitron9 said bye, bye, bye.
And you want to say, hey? Oh, Yakamo, hot sauce. Yakamo rolled it like you told it, hot sauce. So Yakamo gone.
Bye, Yakamo. Bye, Yakamo. I got the 5. I appreciate it. Hey, Yakamo, I got the 5. I appreciate it. Take care, Yakamo. And if you get a grip on my lip, tell hot sauce I said hi. Take care, Yakamo. Waving it to the band. Trinitron9, Coney Island, rocking and rolling. Trinitron9, Coney Island, rocking and rolling.
Appreciate the hot sauce, appreciate the Watergate, appreciate the hot sauce, 9-1 Alabama, tap.
Who else can put it in my water? Trinitron9 want to know who else can get wet, who else can break bread, who else can ride the wave back to Coney Island. I'm still checking my conditions. I'm still checking my Coney Island conditions. Trinitron9, rocking and rolling. Trinitron9, rocking and rolling. Trinitron9, rocking and rolling. Trinitron9, rocking and rolling. Who's gonna put it back in the water? Who's gonna put it back in the water? Trinitron9 out here in the middle of the water. I'm out here in the middle of this water out here in Coney Island, and I'm trying to get another radio cleanup. I'm trying to get another Coney Island radio cleanup. Trinitron9, rocking and rolling. Look like hot sauce got that hammer out there. Looks like hot sauce got that big hammer out there. Yeah, Trinitron9, I'm gonna go back to the boardwalk, sit on the dock of the bay, watch the ships go by, eat another piece of the bread of life. Good morning on the band, good morning on the band, good morning on the band. Trinitron9, Coney Island, rocking and rolling, rocking and rolling. Y'all gotta watch out for 91. Y'all gotta watch out for 91, man. Hello, radio. Y'all gotta watch out for 91. Trinitron9 heading back to the boardwalk. Trinitron9, Coney Island, heading back to my boardwalk.
Super truck 91 say tap tap. Super truck 91 tap tap. Hey, I'm tapping. Well, 91 got to stay on that mall to somebody. His ass tapping. Let me ease out of here.
Trinitron9 back on my boardwalk. I'm sitting on the dock of the bay watching the ships go by, watching the birds play. And you know I'm going to eat another piece of bread. You know I'm going to eat another piece of bread. That's the bread of life. That's Christ. That ain't Mama Papa's bread. And that's my daily bread. Hello, radio. Trinitron9, rocking and rolling. Trinitron9, rocking and rolling. Yeah, Trinitron9, the man in the deep waters of Coney Island. Get down.
2,000 back online.